Hello traders, I'm back here with my best analysis and the best trade of the day. Today is the 9th of February, Tuesday 2021, and let me share with you today's trading activity. So just quick recap, these are the intraday analysis alongside with the 4-hour analysis, and I analyze market twice a day just before London Open and the New York session, and all of my live analysis recording available in the training session for the educational purpose. And during the live analysis, we also broadcast that information instantly in the analysis section. So once the information is broadcast, we keep an eye on all those analyses, and if any opportunity is raised based on this analysis, we provide updates through live audio commentary and also in analysis updates. So based on this analysis, you can see one of traders bank 82 pips, and all these trades are 100% based on the analysis which we broadcasted here. So if you would like to know how I trade through this system, please watch that video. Link is given in the video description. All right, so let's dig into the I'm going to share to you guys with the three pairs like pound because of the time. Let's talk about the euro USD. Okay, so let's see how we traded today. Okay, so let's see the 4-hour because that's the first thing we look at. In the morning we explained that possibility if the price is going to respect this, let me make it bigger so at least you so in 100 EMA, then probably you might going to see pull back. Otherwise we can see here this candle was inside candle pattern, but we did this analysis, and the first analysis in the morning was this was the analysis. You can see here, let me clear this thing. This was the analysis. You can see 732. We explained the price already moved, so we're looking at pullbacks. That's the safest way to look at it, right? So what happens? A pullback developed, beautiful pips, enjoyed it. And at the New York session, as you can see, we did another analysis. If the price, because if let me share with you, if the price is going to break, because previously broken, so technically we're expecting another pullback. And if you look at the bottom, momentum was bullish, so I said if the price is going to break, then short. Otherwise we're going to be staying with the momentum. As you can see, this was another breakout. So based on this analysis, another breakout, and we mentioned another bank beautiful pips. So you can see euro USD based on the 4-hour. So what we can see right now, you can see here the price is respected previously this level, and if the price is going to stay above 0.786 fib level, which is 2117, then probably you might going to see long. And if the price develop tomorrow a double top, then if the price stay below that, then probably going to be seeing counter short trade. Let's see tomorrow. Okay, so let's move to the pound dollar. Okay, so pound dollar, let's make it bigger. Okay, let's see the 4-hour. Okay, so 4-hour, so at last price broken this daily resistance level, which is 0.786, and this is the daily resistance too. Beautiful. You can see we had this breakout is performed at the Asian session, obviously. So but in the London morning session we did say, okay, momentum very strong bullish, so we should be taking pullback long. So we were long on pound today. So let me share with you the whole journey of pound today. Okay, so in the morning, that's what we did. 734 just before London Open, obviously pulled back long. So we had another beautiful long trade, small long trade on pound dollar. Then price developed another consolidation, and we did another analysis at the New York session. Look for another breakout. As we explained to trader, as long as the momentum is bullish, we should be concentrate on long trade here. So you can see here, beautiful breakout, long trade. Again, based on the 4-hour, beautiful intraday analysis, enjoyed it. Okay, so dollar CAD. Right, so let's talk about the dollar CAD. We had interesting moves, dollar CAD. Yesterday, you can see that we had a short trade. Again, let me share with you 4-hour. As I mentioned you yesterday on the analysis, we were short from here, and as soon as the price broke on the previous low, so we were, technically we were short, because you can see here we don't see any, we call it free traffic, so We take a short trade, pull back short trade, and bang beautiful pips. Okay, let me share with you the analysis. You can see here this analysis just before London Open. Technically, momentum is bearish. We were short from yesterday, so technically looking another pullback short. As you can see, price nicely developed. Another pullback, beautiful short trade, bang beautiful pips. Then we did another New York session. You can see the price develop a reverse, and technically if the price develop a head and shoulder pattern, so we're expecting to look for a pullback. Simple. Momentum developed bullish, so we were expecting a pullback long. So what happened here? Let me share with you here. That's what exactly we were looking. You can see here diversion was developed and price broken, so technically we were looking after this breakout pullback. You can see that's why we use our own price based chart. We don't see any red candle, no pullback. So this is the analysis we did at the New York session. No pullback, price broken. So what is next? We're just gonna go where the market goes. So you can see here breakout, and after the breakout price nicely developed pullback. That's what we did. Instantly we update our analysis. That's what we do, intraday analysis. You can see here again 1525. We did so look for pullback because the price did not develop pullback long previously. So technically we're looking at short trade here. So what happened after that? Beautiful, isn't it? Nicely. You can see here nice beautiful short trade and bang beautiful pips. Again based on the 4-hour. When the price respected this level and stay below this previous level, that's what we explained to trader through live ID commentary, that the price basically is going to reverse, even though based on the previous candle we were expecting might gonna reverse, because if you look at the previous candle was bullish engulfing candle, but we trade what we see, it's not what we think. So we can see here price nicely came back and we look for beautiful this pullback and bang beautiful pips. So you can see 3 pairs whole journey, right? So you can see so far we're still short right now. Today tomorrow we have this daily support level, and let's see if the price is going to break. Then probably we're going to be taking a pullback short, if the price is going to respect, because we trade in intraday, because what we keep an eye on the major support and resistance level. We'll see tomorrow. Probably we're going to be taking another pullback short, or if the price respect and momentum develop bullish, then probably going to be taking a long. So we'll see tomorrow. I'll let you know tomorrow, guys. Okay, so you can see 82 pips. This is the breakdown all of his trades, and let me share with you today's some of the analysis quickly, guys. We had a lot of analysis. Okay, so all of my analysis since 2018, you can see here, is there. That's for educational purpose, right? So let's talk about today's analysis very quickly, guys. Okay, so what we can see here is this was pretty straightforward, as I mentioned you. Pullback long trade. This was the beautiful trade, another beautiful. You can see momentum is bearish. Beautiful breakout as always. First target nicely hit, beautiful pips. Another one, as I mentioned you, pullback short trade here. That was amazing trade this morning. You can see here consolidation breakout, beautiful short trade, because we were watching in Kiwi dollar in 4-hour. Based on that, you can see price nicely hit. We use this over fib channel, and the red one is the red zone, forward phase. Basically at that time we're expecting the price needs expecting some reversal. So but again, we don't just jump into the trade until we have a technical valid entry, which we can see it nicely when we explain another one, bank few more pips as a counter short trade. So we see if there's any counter opportunities, we also take counter, both trend and counter. Okay, so euro yen, pretty straightforward. You can see here pullback short trade. This one again, as I mentioned, you pullback short trade. Kiwi to Aussie dollar, pretty straightforward, long trade. We also had a Euro USD at the New York session, beautiful long trade, and this one again, dollar Swiss franc, because the dollar was weak. So we explained to trader, as long as the momentum is bearish, we explain to look for pullbacks. You can see we have 1 or 2 beautiful pullbacks on dollar Swiss franc. Pound yen, pretty straightforward. This was a beautiful breakout long trade because we're watching in 4-hour, Let me share with you guys the pound yen. Because this was the last trade. Bank beautiful pips. You can see here in 4 hour, you can see price nicely respected daily support, and we took this long trade and bank beautiful pips. Let's see if the price is going to break. Then probably gonna be long, but we'll see. Okay, so back to the analysis, guys. Let's share with you quickly. All right, so that was the beautiful breakout, because as I said to you, when we see the consolidation, when we look at in 4 hour, based on that beautiful long trade, pound dollar, beautiful long trade. All right, guys, that's it. I hope you enjoy all these analysis detail. As I mentioned you, as I've explained, that we look at in depth each pair, all the movements based on the 4 hour pure price action. We analyze market in a shorter time frame, refine our entries, and bank beautiful pips. So if you would like to see all that analysis in real time alongside with the 4 hour and a live audio support, feel free to join my fast going trader community. Even if you don't have forex trading experience, don't worry, guys. We provide full force coaching and training. Even if you are struggling, I'm pretty sure you're going to develop your trading skill very fast when you see all these things happening in real time. Or even if you're an experienced trader, I'm pretty sure you're going to love to bank all that pips every single day alongside with our professional trader. For you experienced trader, it's much easier. You will understand this is purely price action, guys. Don't worry about these indicators and everything. We give full information, full training, but the key basic information is pure price action. All right, guys, have a nice evening. Wish you all the best, and I'll see you tomorrow with another analysis. Take care, guys.